If you want to take advantage of Google Drive, what you must do is this, and know what are the ones offered by this platform. The options it offers you are, spelling, grammar, word count, review suggested changes, compare documents, quotes, explore linked objects, dictionary, translate document, voice dictation and document, voice dictation and script editing. Choose the translate document option. May be a copy in another language. Choose the language in which you want to have your text written. In this case, I chose English. What you must do is select text immediately to a new page with all the translated text. Translated text. Another tool you can use is voice dictation, so that you read the text and Google Drive will type it immediately. Change the font of your text and also change the size of the font and put the font. You can underline, change the color and put a background of any color you want. Other options it offers you will be to merge it aligned left wing centered or towards your right. You can change the line spacing of your text, and in this case I put the double line spacing. You can also play with the bullets with symbols or numbers as you wish. This way you can get the best out of your Google Drive documents.